What if I told you? You could start making money online with almost no daily effort. Yes, it's real. In this video, I'm revealing the laziest, most passive ways to build online income streams, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's go. First up is my favorite lazy income stream, affiliate marketing with evergreen content. This is one of the most hands-off ways to earn money online, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to build a steady stream of income without constantly hustling. The beauty of this method is that you can work from anywhere, whether you're lounging on your couch, sitting at a coffee shop, or even traveling the world. Imagine writing a blog post or uploading a YouTube video once and getting paid commissions for months or even years. That's passive income magic. With evergreen content, your work keeps attracting new viewers and potential buyers long after you hit publish. You don't have to chase trends or constantly create new material. Your content keeps working for you in the background 24/7. You don't need to be a pro marketer. Anyone can get started, even if you're a complete beginner. All you need is a willingness to share helpful information and a bit of patience as your content gains traction over time. Just create simple content like top 10 tools for online entrepreneurs and add your affiliate links. You can make lists, reviews, or tutorials about products you genuinely use and love. The key is to be authentic and provide real value to your audience so they trust your recommendations. When people buy through your link, you get paid. Simple as that. Over time, those small commissions can add up to a significant income stream, all while you focus on other things or even take a break. That's the power of affiliate marketing with evergreen content. Next up, digital products. This is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online, and for good reason. Digital products are things you can create once and sell over and over again, without ever worrying about running out of stock or dealing with shipping hassles. You create something once, like a PDF guide, a beautifully designed Canva template, or even a set of digital planners. The possibilities are endless. Think ebooks, printables, or social media graphics. Or you could record a mini online course, share your expertise through video lessons, or offer downloadable tutorials that help people learn new skills from the comfort of their homes. The best part? You can sell these digital products 24/7, reaching customers all around the world, even while you sleep. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping fees, and no waiting for products to arrive. Customers simply purchase, download, and start using your product instantly. This is super lazy because once your digital product is listed, your work is basically done. You can relax, focus on other projects, or even take a break, all while sales keep rolling in automatically. Another easy one is print on demand. You design a cool t-shirt, mug, or notebook once, and platforms like Redbubble or Printful do everything for you. Printing, shipping, customer service. You literally don't touch a product. You just collect your profit every time someone makes a purchase. Lazy idea number 4, YouTube automation. You can create a YouTube channel where you don't even show your face. Just outsource video editing, voiceovers, and thumbnails. All you do is manage content ideas, upload, and then watch the views turn into ad revenue and affiliate sales. Super simple, right? If you've got some capital, here's the ultimate lazy move: dividend stocks and REITs. You invest in companies that pay you dividends just for holding their stock. It's literally money that drops into your account without lifting a finger. Sure, it's not fast money, but it's about as passive as it gets. Are you a creative? Just upload your photos, videos, music, or graphics to stock marketplaces like Shutterstock or Envato. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn royalties. One upload could keep paying you for years. How cool is that? Now you know, making money online doesn't have to be hard work. With the right approach, you can actually build a steady stream of income while enjoying more free time and flexibility in your daily life. Imagine being able to earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with friends and family. That's the power of setting up smart systems that work for you, not the other way around. The key is setting up smart, passive systems that do the heavy lifting for you. Whether it's automating your online store, creating digital products, or leveraging affiliate marketing, these methods can help you generate income with minimal ongoing effort. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and letting technology and strategy do most of the work. So, which of these lazy income streams will you start first? Maybe you're excited to try out print on demand, or perhaps you want to dive into content creation or digital downloads. Whatever you choose, remember that the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Take action today and start building your own path to financial freedom. Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear which idea you're most interested in, or if you have any questions about getting started. Your feedback helps me create even better content for you, so don't be shy. Let's start a conversation and help each other succeed. And if you want my step-by-step lazy income blueprint, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on new tips and strategies for building your online income. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.